नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारस्वत क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल जो बुक है उससे एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये बुक इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन के द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर डिफरेंट आईएसआई एंट्रेंसेस। तो आइए देख लेते हैं कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है। Using the identity log x is equals to integration 1 to x dt by t, where x is greater than 0, strictly greater than 0, or otherwise, prove that 1 by n plus 1 is less than equals to log of 1 plus 1 by n, which is less than equals to 1 by n for all integers n is greater than equals to 1. ओके, तो चलिए सोल्यूशन शुरू करते हैं। गिवन बाय that log of x is equals to integration 1 to x dt by t, where x is strictly positive, and log of 1 plus 1 by n can be written as integration dt by t 1 to 1 plus n or 1 plus 1 by n. Okay, now t is less than equals to 1 plus 1 by n, and this implies that 1 by t is greater than equals to n by n plus 1. Therefore, integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n dt by t is greater than equals to n by n plus 1. We replace the value of 1 by t by n plus 1. Therefore, we get an inequality of integration n to n plus 1 integration 1 to 1 by n dt. And this implies that log of 1 plus 1 by n is greater than equals to 1 by n plus 1. Again, t is greater than equals to 1 and 1 by t is less than equals to 1. That means integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n dt by t is less than equals to integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n dt is equals to 1 by n. Therefore, we can say that log of 1 plus 1 by n is less than equals to 1 by n. Okay, so we get our result that log of 1 plus 1 by n is in between 1 by n plus 1 and 1 by n. Okay, so that's the proof of the given statement, given inequality set. And that's all for today. And we Saraswat's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for ISI entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.saraswatclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you very much.